Hey guys, today I'm diving in to bring you 10 simple accent wall ideas that will breathe new life into your space. Whether you're looking to add a pop of color, some texture, or visual interest, I've got you covered. I'm Dori with the blog Dori Turner Interiors, where I share DIY home decor ideas on a budget that you can easily recreate in your own home. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. All the links I mention in this video can be found below in the description box. Also, I want to give you my free ebook featuring 10 DIY projects you can create for your home. Get a copy by clicking the link below. So let's get started with these easy DIY accent wall ideas. Our first accent wall idea is to create a bold statement using color. Choose a vibrant shade that complements your overall color scheme and paint one wall with it. This instantly adds depth and personality to any room, whether it's your living room, your bedroom, or even a hallway. Next up, we have wallpaper. Wallpaper has made a comeback in recent years, and it's an excellent way to introduce patterns, textures, or even a mural to your space. We used a peel and stick blue floral wallpaper in our entryway. I love the interest that it added, and it was super easy to install. You can find that pattern linked below. Our third way for creating an accent wall is to do a gallery wall. It's the perfect way to display your favorite artwork, photographs, or even cherished mementos. You can choose a wall in your living room, hallway, or bedroom, and arrange a collection of frames and artwork to make a unique and personal statement. For a warm and inviting accent wall, consider using wood paneling. In this bathroom, we see that they've used thin, stained wood vertical slats to give a spa feel to the space. It adds a touch of rustic charm, and it can instantly transform a room into a cozy retreat. You can use reclaimed wood or opt for faux paneling options for a more budget-friendly option. If you're looking for spa-like bathroom accent wall ideas, this one is a great one. And speaking of bathrooms, that brings us to number 5. A tile accent wall can also add a spa-like feel to your space. Whether it's a glass, ceramic, or natural stone, the intricate patterns and textures will elevate your bathroom's aesthetics. You can also do a tile accent wall in your kitchen, above the stove, or in a niche like your coffee bar. Our next option for an accent wall is a chalkboard wall. Are you designing a nursery or a playroom? Then a chalkboard wall is fun and a practical choice. It allows your little ones to unleash their creativity and keeps the space interactive also. Plus, it's easy to clean and change designs whenever you want. If you're artistic, it's also a fun idea for an office. You can create beautiful works of art to enjoy while you sit and work. The 7th option for an accent wall is to add some texture. Texture can make a significant impact on any room, and so our next idea is all about that. Consider using textured wall panels such as brick, shiplap, or 3D panels to add depth and dimension to your accent wall. We've done this with each of our kids' bedrooms. These adhesive panels that we used in my youngest son's room were made to look like wood and were super easy to install. You can check out how we did it right here. In my oldest son's room, we created a faux shiplap wall using a piece of plywood cut into strips. I'll link the post to this DIY below. In my daughter's room, we created a grid accent wall using pine 1x4s and painted the wall green for a touch of drama. You can also check out that DIY here. In all 3 spaces, the use of texture elevated the look and created interest. The next simple accent wall idea is to use wall decals. If you're looking to bring some beauty to a wall without the commitment of wallpaper or paint, wall decals are a fantastic option. These removable stickers come in a variety of designs such as polka dots, flowers, quotes, or even a scenic landscape. You can simply choose your desired decal and apply it to one wall to instantly create a captivating and refreshing focal point in any space. Our 9th accent wall idea is to use floating shelves. Do you need some organization and style in your life? Create an accent wall using floating shelves. These functional and decorative shelves not only provide storage, but also give you an opportunity to display your favorite books, plants, and decorative objects. You can use them in a bathroom for extra toiletries and towels. You can use them in a kitchen for decor or for more room for dishes. Or you can use them in a living room to display mementos and picture frames. Last but not least, a mirrored accent wall can work wonders, especially in smaller spaces. It creates an illusion of a larger room, reflects light, and adds a touch of glamour. Now, I'm not talking about your grandma's 1970s mirrored wall, but a strategically placed mirror can add charm and make all the difference in your space. And there you have it, 10 simple accent wall ideas to inspire your next DIY interior design project. An accent wall is a fantastic way to inject personality and to transform any room in your home. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.